Hello, folks. I want to teach you a quick secret about the power of garlic and salt. It has the effect to bring money your way, unexpected money, and open doors. Take a clove of garlic, take 3 pieces of it, grind it, and pour a little water on it. Drop
Wow.
about 20 ml into your bathing water in the morning and in the evening. Also take sea salt, 3 pieces of sea salt into your bathing water. Mind you, use a bucket and don't let any other eye see whatever ritual you are performing. Bath in the morning and in the evening. Repeat this for 7 days. Take some of the garlic mixture, apply it on your body afterwards, and allow it to dry for 7 days, and you will testify of the results. I am always here for you, and I believe once you are blessed, you will subscribe to this channel. God bless you and bless all your endeavors.